Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tony here with Tony's Tri-Cities Junk Removal, and right now we are looking at today's Saturday job. So hey, enjoy your weekend. Why spend your time removing junk when you can have me come on over and clear your clutter, clear your junk for you. Now don't laugh at me, I forgot my gloves today. So I'm going to be putting on these because I do want to wear something. But yeah, of course we forgot the gloves, so we have the rubber gloves. So not too much stuff. We're gonna be taking this here. We're gonna be taking this rabbit hutch, the chairs underneath it, everything you see here, this mattress, this treadmill, table staying. Customers are gonna decide whether or not we're taking this stuff on top of it. That, pretty much what you see. But anyways, we're just gonna start getting to work here. I think I'm gonna start with probably what's gonna be the hardest thing, which is this here rabbit hutch. And I'm not too worried about it. I think I can manage it by myself. I was worried if it, some rabbit hutches are, they're super big. It could be like, 8 bays wide. But this just a little 3-bay rabbit hutch. I think we can manage it. Yeah, she's not too heavy. So, just one last chair here. Gotta make it easy for us, right? But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a great Saturday. Great Saturday to be getting some work in, or you guys probably enjoying your weekend. But yeah, if you've got some stuff that you need to get moved and you'd rather enjoy your weekend, be sure to call Tony and we'll get it done for you. The number is 423-207-3380. Let's see. Luckily we were able to, customer let us bring the trailer back into their yard. Told them the ground was, soft because the rain we've been getting. You can see it is soft, but she said, she doesn't care about the ruts. So as long as she doesn't care about the ruts, then we'll do it. And let's see, I actually have some dollies. I was thinking maybe I'll put the dollies under there, but let's just try to move it how it is here. It's a bit hard without these posts here in the way. Let's see. Perfect. It does fit just fine. Alright, so I'd say we got the hardest piece out of the way. We do have this. Let's see what's going here. So this is broken. Looks like this is another little rabbit hutch. Let's see if I can get this one tray out. This again. The whole thing out. Definitely broken. Now, next hardest thing probably this and the mattress. So let's see, I could probably put this right up in there as well, and this will honestly just break down. So I'll throw this on top. That's the interesting thing about junk removal is every day is a game of Tetris. And sometimes you load something in and you think you're loading it the best way possible, and then you realize, nope, I gotta switch that around. So let's see. This is pretty heavy, it's not too bad. This could be just toss it over the side here. That would be easiest. Got this hold the ground, one step in that. There we go. Yeah, that is definitely a heavy piece. Not for the mattress, that's I'll slide this here up the ramp there. Let's see. If anyone wants to buy a mattress, got a used one for sale. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Whoops, let's see. Hey, yeah, this is the type of deal you get on Marketplace. A fair condition, right? Got a fair condition mattress. Better yet, good condition. Beautiful. Alright, this treadmill here is actually not too bad. I think I got enough. Let's see. We'll do the dollar trick again. Man, those things make life convenient. We're gonna move this table over there as well. Now move this down, yeah. Oh, look at that. Let's see. I would say, I don't want to put it in from this angle. Perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Customer did tell me it's alright to dump this water here, so I think I might put this in the bed of the truck too. But for now, I'm just leave it right here. Look size, we get this more filled up. I do have these chairs as well. I think we'll get these chairs in now. And get a couple in there, honestly. Let's see. That sounds metal pieces are going to come with me along with the chicken wire. How's this thing? Put it in here. There we go. Perfect. The last one we have, which should be this here grill. So I think I'm going to do some. Actually, I'm going to pull the truck forward a bit, just to load this grill a bit easier. Alright guys, so pulled the trailer up. We're going to get this grill on out of here now. And we're going to do our final sweep up. And that'll be all set. So, yeah, once again, if you guys have any junk removal, if you have a, maybe a patio like this, the junk could be outside, it could be inside. It doesn't even have to be junk, so to say. It could just be any item. If you just have an item that you need removed, whether it's one or a lot of them, Tony's Tri-Cities Junk Removal can get that handled for you. Come out on a weekday or weekend. You don't have to be home if you're at work and you want it removed. You could bring it outside your house. We do a curbside, driveway, or garage pickup, which that's very convenient for people. A lot of people like that. Move this. No, I think it's gonna fit just fine. There we go. So, let's see. Perfect. What I want to do before that is do our final sweep up. This is something I always like to do. Just make sure we leave the place better than we found it. So we're just gonna sweep this stuff up here, and then that will be job complete. And we'll just check with the customer whether or not she wants these items on the table taken, because we know she wants the table to stay, but not sure about the items on the table. But yeah, guys, if this is a service that you need, be sure to call me. The number is 423-207-3380. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a bag to put this all in. So anyways, guys, that'll be it for this one. As you can see, space is transformed. Customer has their space back, so that's always a good thing. Anyways, I'm gonna get a bag for that final sweep, And I'll see you guys on the next job.